Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I'll be showing you a very quick strategy that you can use to scalp the boom and crash market. I want this video to be as short as possible, so we will head straight to the business of the day. If you look carefully on my chart, this is boom 1000 and this is 1 minute time frame. So this strategy works very perfect on all the boom and crash market, but it is very effective on the boom and crash 1000 and the 900. So if you stick to only those markets, you will see high quality trades and you will see a lot of trades in a single day. First thing we want to do is to set up our chart. Click on this indicator icon over here. So you can see I have series of indicator over here. The first indicator is the Ishimoku. To select that, click on this F icon on the main chart. This is Ishimoku. Make this to be 9, this to be 26, this to be 52. For the styles, make it color of your choice and make it 3 pixel. Then for the rest, make it color of your background and make them 1 pixel. So after that, you click on save. The next indicator is the moving average. Click on the F icon on the main chart, moving average. Make the period to be 20, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice and make it 3 pixels. After that, click on save. The next indicator is the Awesome Oscillator. To select that, click on the F icon on the main chart, Awesome Oscillator. Make the up value to be green, down value to be red, and select pixels of your choice. After that, click on save. The next indicator is the moving average. To select that, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1, moving average. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to first indicators data. For the styles, make it color of your choice and make 2 pixels. After that, click on save. The next indicator is the relative strength index. To select that, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1, scroll down, relative strength index. Make the period to be 1, apply to close. For the levels, click on this pen icon, add level, type 15 and 85. For the style, make it color of your choice. After that, click on save. The last indicator is the MACD. To select that, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1, scroll down, MACD. Make your fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice and make it 3 pixels. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So the first thing we want to set up is the zoom level. Let's say this is the innermost zoom. You want to zoom in 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So in the bull market, we want to focus on cashing 5 candles, this retracement candle. And in the crash market, we also want to focus on cashing the retracement candle. So the level we pay attention to on our RSI is the 85 level. We want to see market spikes to the upside, just like you see over here. Then we want to see it pushes this into the 85 level. So once you have these indicators enter the 85 level, then you put your attention now on the chart. And you want to pay more attention to this purple and this black line, but most especially the black line, which is the black moving average. So once you have this moving average crosses the candle, you want to see one candle generate below. You will enter a sell and then you will count 5 candles. So you can see the market continues to go to the downside, generate over 10 candles. If you like, you can also count 10 candles, but the 5 candles will give you a very high win rate. If you go back on your chart and backtest this, you will see how nice your win rate will be. And the good thing about this is that you really get caught. Go back on your chart, you will see for yourself. So this is another one. You have market spikes to the upside. You pay more attention to this black line after you have these indicators enters into the 85 level. So you have the entry here. Then you wait for this black line to cross. You want to see one candle generate below. Then at the second candle, you will enter your sell. Then you count your 5 to 10 candles. You see how market delivers that. This is another one at this point. You want to see a long spike. Then the spike should push this Awesome Oscillator and the MACD into the 85 level. So you have its entry into the 85 level here. You wait for the cross of the moving average, one candle below. Enter your sell and count your 5 candles. You see how market delivers that. So let's go to the crash market and let me show you how you can trade it over there. So in the crash market, we want to buy market to the upside when we are cashing these retracements. So we want to focus our attention on when the market enters into the 15 level. So we can see this spike to the downside. You have it enters into the 15 level. you wait for the cross of the black moving average after the cross of the Ishimoku. So over here, you enter your buy after one candle and you count 5 to 10 candles. See how market delivers that. This is another one over here. You have spike to the downside, enters into the 15 level, wait for the cross of the moving average. After one candle, enter a buy, count your 5 to 10 candles. It is very, very simple, but you need to be patient. And two ways that you can increase your win rate, but you need to be very patient, is you can go to your 15 minutes time frame and look for when the crash market is in an uptrend. So when the crash market is in an uptrend, you will be able to get more accurate entries like you see over here. But when the crash market is in a downtrend, it is telling us that there will be more spikes than the retracement. So in this condition, you want to stay out or you want to reduce your risk when you are trading this condition. When it is in an uptrend, that is when the retracement is more than the spike, you will get very nice entries like this. And for the bull market, on the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame, you want to focus on when the market is in a downtrend. So when the market is in a downtrend, you will have more retracement than the spikes. But when the market is in an uptrend, you will have more spikes than retracement. And this condition, you are likely to get less setups. So you can reduce your risk when you want to trade these conditions. And the next thing you can do, but you need to be very patient to increase your win rate, is to zoom in completely. So if you zoom in completely, you want to focus your attention only on when market enters into these zones. But if you zoom out, this area will enter into the zones. Then you will focus your attention on this moving average. With this way, you can even have up to 99% win rate. Every trade you will take will always give you that 5 candles. So over here, you can see that it's only when market want to have significant move that you have it enter into this point. You can see it when you want to have significant moves. So let's go to the boom 900 market and let me show you what I mean. Enters into the point over here. If I take my 2, this is the point here, this is the spike, and if I zoom in, if you wait for the cross of this moving average after one candle, you can see that if you enter your sell, you have market give you that 5 candles, even more than that. So this is another one. If I zoom in, this is where we have the entry, this is where we have the cross. If we enter a sell, you see the market give you 5 candles, and then you have significant move to the downside. So basically, that is what I want to show you for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.